No, man, I tell you. No, I'm pay for my supply, you know, I'm pay for my supply. Yeah, me the first one buy. Yeah, that's how it go, yeah. Yeah. Oh, we're ready? Oh, my goodness, I didn't realize I was sipping on my liquor. Well, hello. What's up, backyard? This is your girl Tommy Trouble, and we're here at the Big Backyard TV BBQ. The barbecue just a start, and it's going good. Enough crowd out there, and of course, this is the Backyard TV, the new Backyard TV. See the bar? Yeah. So you can come back here and come get your liquor when you want. You don't have to come do the music if you don't want. You can just come sit down and sit and have some liquor. In the back there, Nika. How are you doing?
I'm fine.
It just start, and if you see the crowd out there, so we can just expect what we're going to do tonight. So if you're not there tonight, you miss a good thing, all right? But if you miss it, don't worry. Just come around the backyard studio and come have some drinks, all right? Check it out, Mr. Lee. Mr. Lee is in the house. Mr. Lee, Mr. Lee, Mr. Lee. What's going on, Mr. Lee? We'll find out Mr. Lee ahead. You know?
Me there. Me there. You not there. Too bad for you. But for all the people who know us right now, we are in full effect. It's not live. This is going to be taped. So if you're never there, you're not going to catch it till next year. Remember the boat ride also. It's all about Mad Rush. But before you say Mad Rush, you say Backyard TV, because a backyard thing this don't. Yeah, so big up to Tommy Trouble. I mean, she's definitely a troublemaker. You understand? She just go around and make sure me can't hide from the mic. I don't know. But anyway, it's a pleasure being here, big and serious. And my bossy with it. I always bossy with things like this because I just love entertainment. I just love the food that I'm have outside. Because I get a fish just now. My fish was with crackers and some greens. I don't want nothing else. I got my eyes on the bar.
Alright.
Alright, so Tommy, I'm definitely gonna enjoy myself to the fullness. I don't know what you're gonna do, but ready, full joy, man. There's no end to this. Alright?
Yep.
It's a pleasure. Mr. Howell, you see you? You're the architecture for the entertainment thing. Right. Big up yourself. Backyard TV. Full effect.
Yeah, Backyard TV are going. Mwah. You see, me have my liquor ready, you know, me have my NSC, so me nice right now, alright? So make sure, say, you come get your liquor, whether you breach our party or not. Alright? We are going to do now, go see how the party are going. Check it out. I have to keep my bag for me because I'm $1 million in there. Hello, how are you guys doing tonight?
I'm doing.
Are you guys enjoying the party?
Yes, I am. Yes, I am.
You guys get some food?
I'm about to in a minute. I just got here, so.
Well, you better go get some food fast.
I definitely am.
It's gonna be finished. It's good.
All right. I am.
All right. What's your name?
Ro.
Ro?
Yes.
Okay. And what's your name?
Melaz.
Melaz, how you enjoying the party?
I'm good.
You're not gonna get your food?
I eat before I come.
Oh, let me find out. You might come a barbecue and eat before him come.
I never did know.
Okay, so we have the youngins over here. Hi, how are you guys doing?
How you doing? Fine.
How are you guys enjoying the party?
It's good.
What's your name?
Meek.
And yours?
Juice.
You guys get something to eat?
Nah, not yet. Not yet.
So you're not gonna get something to eat?
Nah, because we ate before we came here. That's why. Yeah.
What's going on here? You know we got a bar in, well, are you guys legal to drink?
I'm 22, but I'm driving.
Oh, okay, so you're the designated driver. So we do have a bar in there, and we have liquor and sell if you guys want to go get liquor. Okay. All right? So continue to enjoy the party tonight. Give our Backyard TV big up.
Big up Backyard TV.
All right. Wow, look who we have here. Let me find out. How are you doing?
I'm here, you know, Skinny John.
All right. Let the people them know who you are.
Well, I am Skinny John. I'm an artist anyway, and I sing a few songs well, you know. I'm also on Facebook, YouTube, and, iTunes, so you can get me if you want. But I'm in the backyard right now, enjoy backyard barbecue and thing, with Tommy and the crew and everyone, So I'm all enjoying the living truth on the place also, Right. So the artists, them, So
you hear that to say if you miss the party, the Backyard TV big barbecue, you miss a good thing. So this is one of the Backyard TV stars from the Backyard TV Star Search. We have some celebrities in the building too. Hi, how are you?
Blessed, you know, give thanks.
How you enjoying the party?
I not enjoy it.
Full joy.
I have full joy. You see?
Right.
Yeah, man. I was Marcus in the place and just say blessed and big up Backyard TV for years and years, you know. We just keep it strong and don't know. And music do it, and it's not like when you bring people and people together, you know. No, say just one thing, see?
Alright.
Because you don't know if you want to face it in the Gideon, it's rough in the Gideon. See? Backyard TV just go and big up and you will tell them say. Nah, say me burden heavy than a man. We all have face the trials and tribulations. Nah, say me burden heavy than a man. Every man have to go face it in a Gideon. You got your troubles, I've got mine. Everything in life, you know, that takes time. Still I fight the struggle, got to gain what's mine. They have a reason and you know me have to shine. Now follow them, that them my bad mind. Wash away me sorrow. Yeah, I am done with it. A Backyard TV. Love you know.
All right, I feel waiting. All right, we have Living Truth over here. Hi, how are you doing?
Greetings, blessed love.
Well,
it's
thank
good to
you
be
for
here.
coming in the house.
Yes, I'm very glad I come because I'm having a real good time over here, you know.
Yeah, did you have something to eat?
Not yet.
What you're waiting on, the food is good. It's going to be
I know, but I hear there's a lot of food, a lot of everything,
yeah.
and it won't be finished right now.
All right.
You know, I got patience and I'm hanging in there. Blessed love. Backyard TV, you're large and in charge. Living Truth to that. Respect.
All right. Yeah, you're from the man himself. I feel waiting. All right. So some ladies over here enjoying their food. How are you ladies doing tonight?
Fine, thank you.
What's your name?
Keisha.
And yours?
Barb.
Are you enjoying the food?
Yes, the food is delicious. You see, I'm stuffing my face.
Hi, are you enjoying the party tonight?
Yes, I'm loving it.
Are you enjoying the food?
Yes, I love the food every more. Well, if you're not here, you're not there. You should be here. This is the best place to be. Yes.
All right, good food, good music, and Backyard TV. What? Hi, how are you?
I'm okay. I'm fine.
How are you enjoying the party?
Pretty good.
Did you get something to eat?
Yeah, it was good.
Yeah? So you have to act out and come out. So we have a baby over here. Hi, how are you? How are you enjoying the party? Oh, he don't want to talk, he's shy. Mommy, how are you enjoying the party?
I'm doing well so far.
Okay, you're going to say hi? Say hi. Say big up Backyard TV. No. How are you enjoying the party tonight, Mommy?
I'm enjoying myself.
Yeah, did you have something to eat?
Yes, I did.
What do you have to say to the people that missed the barbecue tonight?
Well, I miss out on a whole heap.
All right. A whole heap. Do you want to say big up to Backyard TV? Say big up Backyard TV.
No.
Let me find out. They're shy. So we have two lovely ladies over here. How are you guys doing?
We're doing wonderful.
How are you guys enjoying the party?
Nice, very nice.
So them look hot, like me say, you come on the Backyard TV party, you can look hot. All right, what's your name?
Joanne.
And yours?
Vicky.
Did you guys get something to eat?
Yes, the food was delicious. This is really back home barbecue.
Yeah, it is.
All right. The real back home barbecue. Exactly. Excellent. Nice.
All right. See, Backyard TV, as Alison Hines said, I feel a thing. All right? As Tesha Chin said, mwah. Hi, say big up to Backyard TV.
Big up Backyard TV.
All right, yeah, see? From the mouths of babes. Big up to Backyard TV. Right up, are you enjoying your fish?
Lovely. Fish and everything. The whole backyard, man, enjoy. All the fish alone.
Yeah.
I enjoy myself, man, and the audience.
Okay.
I enjoy backyard to the maximum capacity. Right, that's the place me choose to be tonight, so the best place. You know, I have choices, but I choose to be right here at backyard, you know.
All right.
Yeah, man, I want love.
That's what's up. So to miss it is to diss it, all right?
I'm fine. I'm Vinny B from WHCR 90.3 FM station, and I'm happy to be here enjoying the happening right here at Backyard, especially meeting this lovely host lady right here. They call they call out trouble, but you know, on a serious note, you know, who's not here tonight missing out on a great summer party.
And I'm missing Tommy Trouble too.
Yeah, that's what I'm missing. Tommy Trouble. It's Tommy Trouble, but rated G for good. Hi, how are you?
Hello, my name is D Melody, and trust me, Backyard Video, I love this what you're doing right now, because right now, in a time like this when we don't have nowhere to go and my clothes on all of the clubs, I want to joy, one of the Saturday, one of the joy right now, so right now, we can have somewhere to come, and his family, everything is nice. Just for man, hope this is not the first and the last, you know? Let it continue. Backyard video, you are the best.
All right. Backyard TV thing, a favorite thing, a favorite thing. So we have some people over here playing dominoes. Hi, how are you guys doing?
Yes, we're doing very good. Hold on. Hold on, Backyard TV, big up yourself, the thing. Stand up, cue in the advance in the house. Boom.
All right, what do you have to say?
Yeah, we're good enough. Everything nice and all right.
I'm going to shuffle the domino. So we have one lady at the table here. How are you?
I'm fine.
Are you enjoying the party?
Yes.
You look pretty.
Keep my button, sir.
It's upside down. See? Check out our button.
Big up.
What does it say?
R.I.P. Mario, straight.
All right. Thank you. How are you doing tonight?
I'm good, man. I'm good.
Yeah? So you there play domino, you win?
Yeah, of course, my job 5-6.
How are you enjoying the party?
Party good, man.
Yeah, you have some food?
Yeah, man, food good too, man.
Yeah? All right. So we'll look to talk to you later tonight.
All
right. We have the incredible cast over here. Hi, how you doing?
I don't know if I'm incredible, but I'm cast, you know?
We'll give him a superhero status.
But see, how come I earn that one?
You just earn it. You sing, you teach, you do all different types of things. You know, you're a Superman.
Oh, respect for that time, you know?
Yeah, we know what to say, even though you think we don't know what to say. How you?
Just trying to lay low and enjoy the barbecue. It's going real nice, you know? Big up to Backyard TV, doing it big all the time.
All right.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. So you just watch the domino again and take part.
I'm counseling, you know? I'm offering my expertise on the domino table tonight.
Okay. All right. So it's nice talking to you.
Always, Tommy. Respect.
So you're here for yourself. The party are going good. So if you miss it, you miss a good thing. What's your name?
Beverly.
Did you cook today?
No, I didn't.
You just serving?
Right.
So you're enjoying the party?
Good.
Yeah?
Very good.
What are you serving tonight?
Jerk chicken, jerk pork, curry chicken, curry goat, barbecue chicken, macaroni and cheese and salad and goat head soup.
Oh, okay. Delicious. I have no goat head soup, but I forgot to have some. I don't know about I call me craving. Your food just tastes good because I have jerk chicken, I have curry chicken, and I have curry goat, and I have little rice and peas, and it tastes good. I don't might think it enough, but guess what? The food just tastes good. I'm not craving my craving. All right. Oh, wow. Let me find out we have people under the umbrella here. That time I said them shy. No. Them can't shy. This is Backyard TV. This is Backyard TV.
Hi.
We're in the backyard. Come on, how are you?
I'm fine.
How are you enjoying the party?
I'm enjoying it very well.
What's your name?
Bianca.
So how come you're not eating? I see everybody else eating.
I ate already.
Oh. Let me find out. How about you? Are you enjoying the food?
It's excellent. Everything is wonderful.
Yeah, what's your name?
Adrian.
Adrian. Let's see on the camera, Adrian. Come on, don't hide from the camera. This is here in your backyard. Don't worry.
Thank you.
Yeah. How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
What's your name?
Leanna.
How are you enjoying the food?
I'm enjoying it very well. My compliments to the chef.
Yeah, how are you enjoying the party?
Nice.
Yeah? Okay, so what do you have to say to the people that miss it tonight?
I'm sorry?
What do you have to say to the people that missed the party tonight?
Your loss.
All right, you missed a good thing. All right, I'm going to see how them favor. We're going to have about to ask the first lady and her daughter. How are you guys?
Oh, we're doing wonderful.
And the food tastes good and she did all the cooking.
Oh, yeah. I was burning my finger all morning.
All right, so no need to get thanks to her. Hi.
And guess what? When I put the yard, cook the power water.
All right, I am cook the manish water. I forgot to taste it. I'm telling you if it tastes good. How are you doing, Canola?
I'm good.
I haven't seen Canola in a long time. She got so big. Canola is like almost taller than I am. Did you cook today? Yeah. What did you cook?
Some chicken.
Yeah?
Lots of food
food.
for everybody.
Okay, so come out and come eat, all right? This is the first lady daughter, all right? And I give you a big kiss. Mwah. Hi, Tony, how are you enjoying your fish?
Bless. The food is nice.
Yeah?
The vibe is nice. Backyard TV, live. Soaking in the vibe, you know. I'll come back again and I'll stop come. Vibe is sweet. Love Howie. And one large job make Garifuna community out there. Labuga East and the Rest Queen, the whole crew. Garifuna vibe in the house. Jalove, blessed.
You have a different accent from Jamaican accent. Where are you from?
Belize.
Belize.
Yes, I'm a Garifuna, Caribbean Indian, mixed with Arawak, you know? Yeah, straight up Garifuna. Yes, I am.
All right, Belize in the house. We have a beautiful lady over here. How are you?
Hello, how are you?
Why are you standing off to the side?
No, I just got here. I'm trying to get a little feel of the place.
Okay, so go have some food.
I'm coming. I just got here.
All right, so what do you think about the party so far?
Very nice, very cozy.
Yeah, what's your name?
Chanel.
Chanel. So give us a Backyard TV big up.
Big up Backyard TV.
All right. How are you?
Good.
Good, yeah. Give us a hi. How are you? We didn't get you. Ooh, what a cute baby.
Say thank you.
How are you doing tonight?
I'm good.
How are you enjoying the party?
It's good. You know, it's Backyard TV. What else?
I know. You know what? It's a Backyard TV. You know, say it's nice. All right. What's your name?
Marie.
Did you eat?
Yes, food was good.
Yeah?
Backyard, you don't know. You don't make your name already. So big up.
All right. Oh, can he talk? He wants the mic. He say out of the mouth of babes. He can't even talk, but he wants to say big up to Backyard TV. Go ahead, say big up Backyard TV. Say big up Backyard TV.
Big Backyard TV.
All right. Enough niceness. Enough food. The food is good. All right, me go get my manish water. Them say oil cook it, but me I forgot to taste it. This is the new Backyard TV studio. All right, enjoy life, love life, live life, everything. So I bless up and I big up to Backyard TV party. Big up to Backyard TV crew. Big up to Tommy Trouble, all right? Big up to the man himself, the owner man for the owner house, all right? So make sure, say, when you come out and come enjoy the Backyard TV bar, because we have a bar around here, we have a studio around here, we have everything around here, all right? So this is Tommy Trouble saying good night. And if you miss the party, you miss a good thing, all right? So if you don't come out this year, make sure you come out next year. Backyard TV party, barbecue, I should say, was a smashing hit. It was a big hit, all right? Love it. We want to pick up HQ, Mad Rush family, providing music for us. You can't hear no what me say. Where you want to set HQ?
But they are all our vibes, you know, because you know the thing go. Backyard something, Mad Rush, with they are all our vibes, you know the thing go. Backyard, that we say, and I just saw in the backyard all our vibes, you see it? Yeah.
Alright, so we're all in the backyard all our vibe. Someone play domino. Some just sit down and chit chat. Hi, how are you doing tonight?
Hi. It's very good, very good. Nice vibes right here, 727 236th Street, backyard. Your thing are going so. Sell off, Irie.
All right, Backyard TV party, always sell off. So when you hear say Backyard TV do anything, make sure say you come out because it always sell off. All right, the party just a begin. Nice music. We have liquor on sale. Of course, we have a Backyard TV bar in there. Okay. We have a studio in there. We have everything in the backyard. So anything you want, it's there in the backyard. So make sure so you come out. If you don't make it out tonight, it's all right. Come in one of these days and come have a drink. All right? And come in the studio. Come put yourself on record. Hear your tune out. All right? So enough niceness. Big thing. We're in the Backyard TV. We're in the backyard with it. And we have no fun. And you know a Backyard TV thing, a we thing. All right, as Alice said, we thing. All righty.
Woo! Sorry. The camera, la bomb, she has
I know. That's not coming at the house. I know. You ready? Okay. So we have Zilla in the house, of course. Let me tell you, so we have enough celebrity up in the house. What's going on, Zilla?
Hey, Tommy, how you doing, beautiful?
Yeah, I'm fine, thank you.
Backyard TV, you know, from long, me love half Tommy. You know, I was watching her every Tuesday night.
No, we know. How are you doing, my dear?
I'm good, feeling blessed, you know.
Oh, you enjoying the party?
I love it. Anything Backyard TV do, me love it. You know, backyard to the world, as me always tell, oh well, backyard to the world.
Yeah, I will see you have a new CD out.
Yeah, so once again, No Retreat, No Surrender, Volume 2. And, you know, we have a song named Whip the Boy, Facebook lover. You know, just basically enjoying the night, and the food was very, very delicious. Yeah, for real.
Yeah, and I miss like me say, Anna Crave and McCrave, the food was good. Anyway, so where did they find you on Facebook? What's your Facebook address?
Basically, I'll give them something better. I'll just tell them to Google me. Google Zilla Fear No Man. Google Zilla Fear No Man. You see all the videos. Backyard TV was one of the first people to play my video. Caribbean International, but right now Backyard TV, first one to play the video. So Google Zilla Fear No Man.
All right.
For real. Sure.
All right, so we have one of the people from the owner's house in here, because of course he's a member of the house. So he's here. I'm pretty sure we have other members, but we know about Zilla. All right? So big up yourself, Zilla.
All right, Tommy, and stay beautifully, yeah?
Well, thank you. Give us a Backyard TV big up before you go.
Yo, I say right now, I say, in the get to see many things. Some youth, them a stab, some youth, them a kill. 9 or 10 when me witness me first stabbing. But you know what, na Backyard TV, none of that pure love. Backyard TV to the world, for real. That me I say, sure.
All ready? You hear that? Pure love in the backyard. All right, so let me tell you, all of the people, when you guys see the Backyard TV camera, don't be scared. It's Backyard TV. It's just like in your backyard. All right? I know. It's not just a jacket, it's a full suit, vest, coat and all. All right. What's the name of your TV show?
It's a radio show.
Radio show, sorry.
The Murray and Casey show.
Murray and Casey. We're here with Murray and Casey, and they have a show, a radio show. I'm going to let you tell them about it. Casey?
Yes. I'm the DJ. I'm the one that played the music. She did most of the talking.
Hi, Murray.
Hi. Our show is on Mature Radio. I'm Murray, and this is Casey, and this is the Murray and Casey show on Mature Radio on a Wednesdays. 102.5.
102.5 on the web is www.matureradio.net.
All right. So what do you guys talk about?
We try to talk about current affairs and things that are affecting the economy, things that are in the news, and any kind of issues.
Okay.
Come up with.
So give us the radio station again.
Mature Radio 102.5.
102.5.
Yep. www.matureradio.net.
All right, so make sure someone check it out. All right?
Each and every Wednesday from 10 to 12.
Come again, say that again.
Each and every Wednesday from 10 to 12.
All right, so make sure someone tune in and check out Casey. It's Murray and Casey over here. All right? The Mature Radio. All right? All right. Thank you guys for coming out to Backyard TV BBQ. The baby doesn't even cry, you know?
That camera now, jeez, I'm pleased. No. To the boss, man, you won't get in trouble.
You are the father.
I know. I'm telling you. The baby is not even a jacket. The baby is a full suit, vest, coat and all, you know?
Just read, finally.
Hey, what's up?
What's going on?
Let me find out best man in the house.
Yeah, best man is in the building. Listen, I'm the guard dog for the backyard. You see what I'm saying? Yeah, big up everybody that came out to Backyard Barbecue. It's real nice. You got a bar in the studio. You see what I'm saying? You don't get that anywhere else. A bar in the studio. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, it's nice. I like the setup and everything. And of course, we got the music. The music tough, man. You don't get this anywhere else besides Backyard.
All right.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we in our backyard at chill. I eat some food.
Yes.
I drink some manish water and I drink some juice.
Some juice.
I mean some NSC, some stout, and we are listening to some mood music.
Yeah,
all right.
We have the nephew also, you know, we have that in the
All
back.
right. We have the rum, we have the Bacardi, we have the NSC, we have the stout, by the red stripe.
We have it all
Guinness,
at the backyard. Guinness,
everything it there. So even if you don't miss the barbecue, come out of Backyard TV studio because we have a bar here. Alright, so you can come chill.
It's marked down.
Alright, and it's marked down, you know.
Tell a friend for tell a friend, for tell a friend, for tell a friend.
Alright, and make sure so you come over drinking in the Backyard studio.
Definitely.
Alright, so you can come sing on a tune.
Manage water every week and fish every week.
Yes, alright, you see. Alright, so you can't lose. It's a win-win situation.
Yep, you can't lose that backyard.
Alright.
Tough. The one that you know answer nothing for the video.
I know.
Oh man, no, you over there and I'm over there.
You look nice doing here, man.
I know, yeah, definitely.
The painting and everything.
This is nice.
When a foreign glass tell of it water house or Spain, man. Just come on. Anyway, do I'm find it. I'm find it. Sing for us.
Full of the vibes that you're playing. Can you play some more? Can you play some more? Lift it up, jack it up, pull it up, come again. Can you play some more? Can you play some more?
Without the dance hall, and when we woulda do reggae music all, you must answer to wind up, jump up. When you hear sweet reggae, put your bat and bury some man off it, tell them to the. Without the dance hall, when we woulda do reggae music all, you must answer to wind up, jump up. When you hear sweet reggae, put your bat and bury some man off it, tell them to the. Everyone a do the dance when them love. In this a dance hall, no farmer go to. Greet everyone that enter with a hook and spread out and listen to some sweet dub and dub.
Pull up the vibes that you're playing. Can you play some more? Can you play some more? Lift it up, jack it up, pull it up, come again. Can you play some more? Can you play some more? Harry and the one named Skellyan, them know everything where I go on. Never wrote them in and me can't have find out if my brethren them in the land. Everywhere I look is clear skanking. I see no statue around.
To rotting, I see girls and get wild. Selectors spin music versatile. Them want to down with sound and broke with fine sound. Who them a try turn in a clown? Dance and pull up and me can't get a chance. Oh me a go find me sister in the dance. Music of your people jump and prance. Rock out, you select the boy.
Lift it up, jack it up, pull it up, come again. Can you play some more? Can you play some more?
The one dance a cry. The one dance a cry. I say the one dance a cry. Can't get a chance to make a little step. Dance and ram and miss no place to left. A police come and turn it up, the vibes them want for record. And this is much about and this is no respect. Well listen, there is some man who's a true Italy.
Yes, you got me rocking in a corner. When all the lights them come down, can't express how me glad me come on. Yeah. I never seen so much good vibes flow. Everyone inside is like family. I see no strangers around, and every massive is here. And tonight we don't care. All the violence that make we rock it instead. Jump up alive, every man get rock now. Pull up the vibes that you're playing. Can you play some more? Can you play some more?
Without the dance hall, where we woulda do reggae music hall. You must answer to woman a jump up, woman a wind up. When them hear sweet reggae, go there, put your back and say, go there.